Hello, my name is Yannis. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a Buy Now button into your actual website. To get started, for this scenario, we need to use PayPal. So log on to your PayPal account. Once you have logged onto your PayPal account, add the following extension, /buttons. Once you've done this, you will be able to actually see a number of different buttons. In this case, we need to select the Buy Now button. What we need to do now is to add actually the product name. Let's go back to our page, and we have here a number of services. So we are on the services page. We have a number of services. So the service is laptop screen replacement. I'm just going to copy this, Control-C to copy, and I'm going to paste this here. So let's make up the price. So the price, I'm just going to go some crazy price, because obviously I don't want to actually, somebody pays me this money. So because I live in UK, I'm just going to change the currency to British pound. And for the product ID, I'm just going to make up service 1. Okay. So the next thing we need to do is we can actually select small or large button. As you can see here, we can see the actual outcome here. So let's leave it as a small button here. From here is Pay Now or Buy Now. Let's select Pay Now. Next, the country and language. We need to select United Kingdom English, because we live in England. The next thing we need to do is select Save. You can also add the drop-down menu, so you can actually add more services here. So you can play around with this option. So once you're happy with this, you can click Save and create the button. Once the button is created, you can actually copy this, and then let's go here, and we're going to basically paste it under the laptop screen replacement screen. We're going to go further down until we actually find the laptop screen replacement. And what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to add a BR tag, a line break tag. Let's put the enter key here so we can actually have a little bit of gap here so we know what we're doing. Let's put here laptop replacement screen. And right below it, we can actually paste the code. Now we can add some programmer's comments, so in the future we'll know where the code starts and where the code ends. So I'm just going to call this PayPal button for the, and let's paste that, laptop screen replacement. Oops, Control-Z to undo, paste it there. And hyphen, and then greater than. And then we can put here, starts here. And we can copy this line now, and we can paste it right below it, and we'll say end here. So we know where it starts and where it ends, our PayPal button. We can go to File, select Save, and then now if we click Refresh, we have a Pay Now button. Now if you don't want the Pay Now button to show the way it shows here, we can actually increase the height of our frame here. So we can do this by going to the CSS page, called My Styles. So this is the, let's have a look, this is the box style. So let's go here, let's go to the box style, and let's change the height to maybe 150, so we can actually accommodate space for the Buy Now button. Let's save this, let's go here and refresh, and this looks much better. We can actually put a double break line space. So let's put another one here. Let's copy this. Instead of typing this again, we can paste this here. Control-S, or you can go to File and select Save. Let's refresh the page. And if we do this, then we need to go back to the CSS, and let's make this 170 maybe. So File, Save, and let's refresh. Okay. And this looks much better. So when somebody now goes to the website and they click on this link, they will be redirected to the PayPal account, and they will be ready to basically pay. Okay, so as you can see, because I have already logged on as on the account with the actual button, then I need to log out. And basically, if I go back now and click on this button now, it's going to ask me to basically put, it's going to ask me to put my PayPal account, so then I can actually pay £2,000. No one will pay £2,000 to replace a screen, but it's just basically a way to show you that how to create the buttons. By following the same process, you can actually apply buttons on every single service and on every single product. To customize the button, to basically make your own button, if we go here onto the button here, so we can actually see where the picture is coming from. So this is a GIF file. So what we can do, we can actually replace this URL with the actual our own picture. For example, if I go to Photopea and I'm going to create a quick Pay Now button. Let's make this button 150 pixels by 30 pixels. Let's Control plus to zoom in. Let's display the layers. That's the layers here, panel. Okay, so let's close this. Let's Control minus to zoom out. So let's put some fancy colors here. So let's stick with pink. Let's change the other one to turquoise. And let's use the gradient tool and then click, oops. Let's add a new layer, hide the background layer. With the new layer selected, I'm just gonna click and drag. That's better. So now I'm gonna add a new layer and I'm gonna add a text, and I'm just gonna type here Pay Now. Just gonna select the text here. Let's use the move tool actually first of all. Let's paste it into the center. And let's use the text tool again. And I'm just going to change the color to white. And then you can always double click here to customize the white text. Let's make sure, let's put some glow. Let's make the glow purple. Let's increase the size a little bit. Let's add some noise and let's change that to normal. Let's change the size a little bit. Let's remove the noise. That will do. Okay, so now we have our button here. So we're gonna go to File and select Export as PNG. Save. So I can actually put this now into my desktop. Let's put on the images folder with the rest of the pictures. So I'm gonna call this paynow.png. I'm just gonna copy this URL, this name. I'm just gonna minimize this, and here I'm just gonna put images / and then paynow.png. I'm gonna go to File, select Save. Let's go back to the page and refresh the page, and now I have my own bespoke button. So when somebody clicks on this button now, the PayPal account will open and ask the person to basically pay £2,000. If I change my mind, I want to basically change the amount, what I need to do is basically log back in. I'm just going to pause the video so I can log on back in. Okay, once you log back in, you can go back to the /paypal.com/buttons. You can go to the View Saved Buttons. And now you can actually select the button that you want to select. Next, you can edit the button. And let's change the price to maybe £50. When you click update the save buttons, you can copy the code. You can go here. You can paste it. I've just pasted right below it, so I can actually get my button here. Replace the ugly default GIF file, the button that PayPal gives you. Let's remove the old code. Let's now remove the comments. Now let's log out. Let's go back to this page now. Let's refresh the page. Did I save it? Let's save it. Yeah. Let's go and refresh the page. Now, if I click on this button, the user now to pay £50. And this is how you add buttons, PayPal buttons into your website. And this is how you update in PayPal buttons. So you can actually earn more or earn less. This money will go to your PayPal account, and then from your PayPal account, you will be able to transfer the money over to your bank account. PayPal will keep a small commission. This commission changes every so often, so you need to check the terms and conditions, but it's not much. It's still worth having PayPal because PayPal takes all the responsibility and the security, dealing with the security, sorry. Okay, I hope you learned something new today. I hope you will be able to apply these new skills into your website. Bye for now.